So guys, next open any browsers to type Lenovo thing IdeaPad Leon Pro 7i and go to first URL, which is you can see this pcsupport.lenovo.com. You can see there are two type to install. First, automatic, you just click to scan now, system automatically scan and require driver to install easily. Second, this is manual, so if you have to facing some separate devices and install the separate driver, just click to select driver. After that, so you can see this all driver. Okay, then next guys, you can see this is Bluetooth driver. Click and Bluetooth driver Intel, click to download. Now this is start. Just single click to open this setup, then click to yes. Okay, I accept the agreement, then next, install, then next, and try to install. Then click to OK and then finished.